Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find downloaded files on iPhone. If you've downloaded files to your iPhone recently and you're looking for where to get the downloaded files, this video I'm going to be showing you that very quick now. So the first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your Files app. This is the Files app in blue color. So just tap on the files to open it up. So once you open up the Files app, it will show you this. So on this, I want you to check the bottom right corner. You're going to see where it says browse. I want you to tap on that browse at the bottom right corner. So once you tap on the browse, it will load up this page for you. On this page, I want you to do two things. I'm going to be showing you two places you have to check to get your downloaded files. The first one I want you to tap on is iCloud Drive. You can see where it says iCloud Drive. I want you to tap on that iCloud Drive. Once you tap on the iCloud Drive, you can see where it says downloads. Tap on downloads. So you can see no downloaded files. This is where all your downloaded files will be stored. So this is the first place to check. Then if the files you're looking for is not on this place, this is the second place to actually check. So you want to go back to the browse. So you want to tap on this on my iPhone. So let's tap on my iPhone. So once you tap on my iPhone, it will load up all your downloaded files for you. So guys, this is how you can actually look and check and also find your downloaded files on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.